Hello, my name is Paul Sinnock and I'm a member of the technical support team here at the University of Kent. Since the start of the Covid-19 pandemic, the staff at the University of Kent have come together to provide help and support to our local community. The specialist technical staff have worked with clinicians and care workers to design and manufacture protective equipment for hospitals, doctors' clinics, care homes and hospices. However, all this would not be possible if it wasn't for the generosity of both individuals and organisations that have provided essential funding to allow us to undertake this work. And it's for that reason I would like to say, on behalf of all the University of Kent staff involved in this project, a huge thank you. Thank you to alumni, staff and the public who have kindly donated to our project. I would also like to thank the external companies such as Ashford Lyons and Hobby Components who have donated both money and equipment. And I would also like to offer thanks to our friends at Santander University UK who have provided significant funding to our project to support the purchase of new 3D printers and equipment and consumables. Your donations have allowed us to offer the protection and support to our local community when they needed it the most. Finally, I wanted to thank all those NHS staff and care workers that we have had the pleasure to work with over the last few months. Your passion and commitment at such a difficult time has inspired our teams and the work we have been doing. Thank you.